Hi guys, I'm Mary from Mary's Milk Monsters, and the Super Bowl is coming up, so I thought I'd make some classic tailgate food, a cheeseburger. And to do that, I need to make some cheese. I'm going to make some paneer, otherwise known as vinegar cheese. If you want to do the easy version or simple version, I'll have a link somewhere up there if I figured that out. But we're going to add a twist. Now, here's the thing. The team colors for this year, for both people who are playing, are red and white. That kind of looks like a regular burger though. So I'm going to represent my home team, Seattle Seahawks, which is going to be blue and green. So we'll have blue and green cheese. So to do that, we're going to start with our milk, which we need to heat up. We're going to need to make 2 batches of it, which is 2 quarts, which is half a gallon. So I'm going to heat all the milk up for right now. Sometimes that sticks and seals, which is good because it's sealed. By pouring it in the pot. And then we're going to have that on. Let's see, yeah, that's on and plugged in, so that's going to take a minute to heat up. So we'll just give it a minute until it comes up to 190. Okay, it's been a minute and that's at 190. Now our next test we'll have to go through very quickly so that, because this is very temperature sensitive, if you miss anything I'll have it in the description. So we're going to pour it into bowls to measure it out. That's up to 4. That's also up to 4 because that's what we did. I won't put that there for reasons and not touch that. Okay, so we're gonna add more than you think. We're gonna start with 5 drops. I know it looks like a lot. 5. And then we're gonna work very quickly. Just let it go. Our food coloring. And then if it still looks pale, we'll add more. Okay, blue. Let's see, looks like that needs more. That they're not gonna fall in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Start again. Is that looking good? That look good, you guys? We'll add a magic ingredient, which is apple cider vinegar, and stir it quickly so that it congeals. It's already starting to a little bit. Just keep stirring it. It's already making little kernels, which are sticking to the side. Alright, looks like the curds have formed. So, we'll now drain it into the pot here that we just used. And we'll pour it back in the bowl. And it doesn't matter if the whey is mixed color, unless you want multicolored whey for something. You can still do that. Oh, that's my other spoon. I have a lot of spoons. I got my spoons. Some just go up on the counter and it looks like bacteria, you know, you see in those. Wait a minute, I mixed the 2 of them together and it made teal. Alright. interesting. It's like mermaid puke or something. Or something that would be on a sea hawk. Ha! Okay. So, stir it a little. So all the way drains out. And then after most of the whey's drained out, we will add salt to it. So I find that it needs salt, and then you just add it to taste, or just a generous amount. I'll have proper measurements in the description. Set it right. This could also be like mermaid cheese though, too. If you wanted to do something like that. It helps go like this. Just twist it around. Strain better. Roll into a ball. Bit. Stir that one. Oh, that's it. Stir this one. Alright, now we'll add just a little bit of salt. One. Put that in. Now, while it's still pretty warm, after you add the salt, where you're gonna press it, is you need to press in here. We'll stir in the salt, and we'll press it. And then I'll just get a spoon of each. That way we have both colors here. Now it needs to make it a little more blue. There we go. Okay, and then our magic fuel pot here. And then like this. Press. We need to put this on a burger. I will save that leftover cheese for other things. We have a burger. Put it on, and then these are actually my cheese puff recipe, which I'll put up there, that I made some donuts and stuff with. Very versatile recipe. Cheeseburgers over here. Cheese. I'll put some grilled onions first. It's grilled onions. And there's no such thing as too much onions. And then, let's see. Doesn't feel like cooperating, it just needs a little bit of encouragement. Hook it with a stick. Oh, there we go. Alright. So now we have our team colors. Well, these are my local team colors for the Super Bowl. Now we have a cheeseburger tailgate. And oh boy, how am I gonna fit all this in my mouth? Somehow. I'll figure it out somehow. I can try and do a proper bite for like a cross section. I don't know, maybe. Does my jaw even go that wide?
No, it isn't. I have to slowly eat down. There we go. That's one good bite. That's probably all over my face. That's very good. If you guys like that, make sure to like and subscribe and all that stuff. And I'll see you in the next video. And I'm just gonna eat this for lunch. So, see ya.